All right, good Monday morning, everybody. August 3rd, we thank you for joining us. I'm John Muller.
And I'm Vanessa Freeman. We do begin this morning with the big story, the tropical storm Isaias. Right now, the tri-state is bracing itself for the storm's arrival, which we're expecting to bring heavy rain, wind, and also some possible flooding to parts of our area.
Yeah, the last time the tri-state area saw a storm this bad, there were downed trees, power outages to worry about. We could see something similar over the next couple of days. This morning, we have team coverage for you on
4 to 6 inches of rainfall, looking like between 1 inch to 2 inches in the city. Flash flood watch, you're getting a lot of rain all at once. In terms of tomorrow, in terms of commuting, if a lot of you are working from home, those of you who are traveling, I would definitely try to make alternate plans. That you're not going to want to be on the road tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. We have a tropical storm watch issued for most of the region. The other thing to point out, as this is pushing through,
Latest round of clinical trials of its coronavirus vaccine is now
northward and eventually become northwestward. Notice Category 1 by the time it makes landfall in the Carolinas. And once it hits land, then the storm's going to start to weaken. It doesn't have the ingredients it needs to stay strong and stay alive, but it is going to approach us, and this is looking like Tuesday. We're going to start to see the...
We are approaching 6 o'clock.
Here's what's coming up in the 6 o'clock hour.
It is Monday, August 3rd. New week, new month, a new event to look out for. Good morning, folks. I'm Vanessa Freeman.
Never a dull moment,
Never.
right? I'm John Muller. August starting off.
View of this tropical satellite here. As you can see, it's really bright in color, and that includes those.
The Lincoln Tunnel, everything reopened. We did have the center tube closed overnight, and you're noticing traffic.
And if we were to break this up in quadrants, the heaviest impact. Miles per hour in order to make that hurricane Category 1 status, and we expect that just before making landfall along the Carolinas. Now, the saving grace in all of this is because of the track. It looks like it'll stay over land once it makes landfall, which will allow 2 to 4 possible across the 5 boroughs, a little less there eastern Long Island, but don't be fooled tomorrow. So it's become much more organized.
There are endless untold stories of New York. Now, your story can win $50,000. The Gotham Book Prize was created in part to help struggling writers rebound from this coronavirus pandemic. Pix 11's Shirley Chan has more on how you can enter. Work is one of the pillars of the Rebound franchise here at Pix 11. It also focuses on making ends meet, managing the pressure of this pandemic, and safely moving forward. You can find all of this information at pix11.com/rebound. The news at 7 with Dan and Betty starts right now.
Hours, and it's offshore. However, along the coast, we're getting a lot of impacts there from Charleston down to Savannah, Brunswick. And as you can see, Isaias, quite sizable. It can be felt along the shore here of the southeast, and as it